Welcome to English channel. Do you want to travel to Australia? In this video, we visit the famous opera house, meet cute kangaroos, and try Australian coffee, all in slow English. But pay attention. There is a hidden detail. How does Hannah feel after arriving?
Let's do it.
Watch till the end to find the answer and write it in the comments. Please subscribe and help us grow. Are you ready? Let's start the video.
Mary, we made it! We are finally in Australia!
Yes, Sydney. The flight was long, but I am so happy to be here.
Me too. The air feels different here, doesn't it? It feels fresh and warm.
It does. And look at the sky. It is so blue.
Clear. Australia is famous for its beautiful weather. I think we are going to have a great time.
I agree. Alex, I feel very excited. I have always wanted to come here.
Oh, I know. You talked about Australia all the time.
Because there is so much to see. The opera house, the beaches, and the animals.
Yes, the animals! I want to see a kangaroo and a koala.
We will see them soon. But first, let's go to the city. I want to see the opera house. Sounds like a plan.
A planner.
Let's catch a train to the city center. Wow, Alex, look at that. That is the Sydney Opera House.
It is amazing. It looks just like the pictures, but much bigger. White.
Roof looks like sails on a boat, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. It is very unique. No other building looks like this.
Let's take a photo here. The water and the bridge are in the background. It is perfect.
Good idea. Say cheese.
Cheese!
Great photo. The harbor bridge looks huge too. Shall we walk closer to the water?
Yes, let's walk along the harbor. The view is beautiful. Look at all the boats. It is very peaceful here. People are walking or running. Everyone looks happy. Sydney is a beautiful city. Modern, but also close to nature.
I agree. The ocean is right here and the city is right there. It is the best of both worlds.
Alex, all this walking made me thirsty. Shall we get some coffee?
Sounds perfect, Mary.
That sounds good. I heard coffee in Australia is very good.
Yes, they take coffee very seriously here. There is a famous coffee called...
Flat white.
Flat white? What is that?
It is like a latte, but the milk is smoother and the coffee is stronger. It is very popular in Australia.
That sounds delicious. I want to try it.
Let's go to that cafe over there. It looks nice.
Hi there. How are you going?
Good, thanks. Can I have a flat white, please?
I will have a flat white too, please.
No worries. 2 flat whites coming up.
Here is our coffee. Look at the art on top of the milk. It is beautiful. Let's taste it. This is really good. It is creamy but strong. I told you, Australian coffee is the best. And like not the best.
Okay, coffee break is over. Now, I really want to see some animals.
Let's go to the wildlife park. It is not far from here. We can see kangaroos there.
Can we touch them?
I think so. Some parks let you feed them.
Look, Hannah! There they are! Kangaroos! They are hopping around!
They are so cute! And look, that one has a baby in its pouch!
A baby kangaroo! That is adorable. It is looking at us.
Let's go closer slowly. We don't want to scare them.
Okay. Hi there, little kangaroo. Oh, they seem very friendly.
They are used to people.
This is amazing. I am standing next to a real kangaroo in Australia.
And look up there, in the eucalyptus tree. Do you see it?
Is that a koala?
Yes, it is sleeping. Koalas sleep for about 20 hours a day.
20 hours? Wow, they love to sleep. They look so fluffy and soft.
They are very special animals. You can only find them in Australia.
I am so glad we came here. Seeing them in real life is much better than seeing them on TV.
Alex, we can't visit Sydney without going to the beach.
You mean Bondi Beach?
Yes! It is one of the most famous beaches in the world.
Wow, look at the waves. And the sand is so white.
There are so many surfers. Australian people love surfing.
The ocean is so blue. It looks
Shall we put our feet in the water?
Yes, let's do it.
Ooh. It is a bit cold, but feels good.
It is perfect for a hot day like this.
Look at the pool over there. It is right next to the ocean.
That is the iceberg's pool. The waves splash into the pool.
That looks so cool. Swimming there must be exciting.
Maybe next time we can swim. Today, let's just relax on the sand and watch the surfers.
Good idea. Just sitting here and listening to the waves is relaxing enough.
I am getting hungry. What should we eat for dinner?
About fish and chips. We are by the ocean, so the seafood must be fresh.
That sounds perfect. Fish and on the beach. That was delicious. The fish was so fresh and crispy. And the chips were hot and salty. I am so full now.
Me too. Today was a wonderful day. We saw the opera house, drank flat whites, met kangaroos, and went to Bondi Beach.
We did a lot and on one day, but Australia is huge. There is still so much to see.
Where should we go tomorrow?
How about the Great Barrier Reef? Great Barrier Reef. We have to fly there, but the coral reef is beautiful.
Or we could go to the outback to see the Red Desert and Uluru.
Oh, that is a hard choice. The blue ocean or the red desert?
Let's decide tomorrow morning. For now, let's go back to the hotel and rest. I am sleepy.
Me too. Good night, Sydney. See you tomorrow.
Good night, Australia.
Vocabulary. Make it. To successfully arrive somewhere or finish something. Examples. We finally made it to the hotel after a long drive. I don't think we will make it to the party on time.
Mary, we made it! We are finally in Australia!
Be famous for. To be well known because of something special. Examples. Italy is famous for its delicious pizza. This town is famous for its beautiful parks.
Australia is famous for its beautiful weather. I think we are going to have a great time.
Catch a train. To get on a train before it leaves. Examples. We need to hurry to catch the train. He wakes up early to catch the first bus to work.
Sounds like a plan.
A planner.
Let's catch a train to the city center.
Take a photo. To use a camera or phone to capture an image. Example. Let's take a photo here. The water and the bridge are in the background.
Let's take a photo here. The water and the bridge are in the background. It is perfect.
Take seriously. To think that something is important and give it a lot of attention. Example. Yes, they take coffee very seriously here.
Yes, they take coffee very seriously here. There is a famous coffee called...
Flat white.
The best of both worlds. A situation where you can enjoy the advantages of two very different things at the same time. Example. The ocean is right here, and the city is right there. It is the best of both worlds.
I agree. The ocean is right here, and the city is right there. It is the best of the both worlds.
Right next to, very close to the side of something. Example. It is right next to the ocean.
Look at the pool over there. It is right next to the ocean.
How about a common phrase used to suggest an idea or ask for an opinion? Example. How about fish and chips?
And the chips were hot and salty. I am so full now.
Sound perfect. To seem like a very good idea when you hear about it. Example. That sounds perfect. Fish and chips on the beach.
We saw the opera house, drank flat whites, met kangaroos, and went to Bondi Beach.
Go back. To return to a place where you were before. Example. For now, let's go back to the hotel and rest.
Let's decide tomorrow morning. For now, let's go back to the hotel and rest. I am sleepy.